Yeah, what's up, everybody? It's J2O King, Real FOREX King, back for a weekly forecast for the week of the 16th to the 21st. First thing we do is check out forexfactor.com, see the news events for the week. As you can see, starting for Sunday, not too much, just little pack news. Monday, some more pairs, got some volatility. You have the USD during New York session, high impact. GBP low impact. You have the real medium impact. So Monday, some decent volatility. Then you got Tuesday, which is a lot of volatility, mainly during New York session with the CAD news events. So be cautious if you're scalping. And there is news during London session with GBP pair, high impact. So Tuesday definitely a big news day. Then you got Wednesday, you got GBP news during London session, 2 a.m. And then mostly yellow photos throughout. You got photos for the Euro, CAD, and then New Zealand, their aids in session, high impact news, so be cautious for scalping if you trade that pair. Then Thursday, you got the New York session, the London session, low impact news, and then obviously the New York session, high impact news for USD, some couple news events, the New York, high impact for the CAD. And then Friday, we ended week with a lot of news events for the Euro during London session, mostly, and also GP going to be affected during London session. And then the New York session is heavy news for like CAD and USD. So pretty much this week's going to be a lot of news events. So be cautious as you trade. So this should be good movements. So let's look at the charts. Gold. So far, gold right now focusing on buy opportunities in the market based off the 4 hour. I'll probably wait till like Monday to see where support lies at because I'm planning to ride it back up for the week. But it all depends on structure because the market could literally come down and it could literally break down to here. If it breaks the zone, then we know we're going for a downtrend. But if we break down here and respect this, we could just come back up to this zone. So right now I'm looking for buy opportunities right here. If this gets broken, this be the last hope before we begin the downtrend. So now let's look at GBP/USD. Right now looking for buy opportunities this week coming up. We can literally push down, try to create some support, and then rise back up. Or we could literally just come back up gradually. But ultimately, I'm trying to see around the 78.6 and 100 zone to see structure to get a good entry back up. But if we break down here, we can literally come down here. And once we break down here, you already know we're going down for a downtrend. So just be mindful of potential zones. Be mindful here and be mindful here. So the next pair, GP, JPY. Let's look at the 4 hour chart, candlesticks. So this pair been moving on a slight uptrend right now. Me, technically, I'm waiting for it to like come back down or get on a buy to ride it back up. But as you can see, It is consolidating. It's been consolidating here. We could literally also just push back up. We push back up, then I wait for it to come back down or try to ride back up. So that's one opportunity. We could literally on Sunday come back up, or we could literally come back down. But if we break this zone here, this area of support, then I'm going to start looking for sell opportunities to ride it back down. New Zealand USD. Right now, I'm looking for buy opportunities in the zone. As you see, last week we shot up, then we came back down for Friday. So I am looking for buy opportunities still to ride it back up to see if we're going to create the new high. But if we decide to come down here and break the zone, then I'm gonna look for sell opportunities back now. But as of now, I'm looking for buy opportunities to ride back up to create a new high. AUD USD. So right now, same thing. Looking for buy opportunities. As you can see, we kind of retested this previous high. And then we shot down on Friday. We could literally either come back down and shoot back up, or we could do a continuation and shoot back up to get up higher. But right now, I'm just focused on buy opportunities. So I am waiting for it to come either down to my zone, or I'm going to redraw my fibs on the trade. Right now, look for buy opportunities for AUD USD and GBP AUD. Wait for it to come down more before I look for buy opportunities back up. But if we break down through the zone, then I know we potentially about to come back down. But right now, I'm looking for buy opportunities. See if we can find something around this area. GBK. So this pair, let me go to the daily chart. It's been dropping lately. We're like about a 1086 retracement zone area. So right now, I'm still looking for sell opportunities. I do see us pretty much breaking this zone. But if we respect the zone and create a support, then you know we're going to come back up. But as of right now, I see us coming back down. Next pair, we got the US 30. So for US 30, it is very volatile at times. Right now, I am looking for buy opportunities. We could do a continuation, or we could literally come back down, reset for the support, and shoot back up. And then the next pair, GBP, New Zealand. So for this pair, we could literally do a continuation, gradually back up, create a new high, or we could just come back down and respect the area of support before we decide to shoot back up in the market. But if we break this area, then I know we're going down for a downtrend. That target. But right now I'm a bias to buy for GBP New Zealand. ADCHF, we are in a downtrend. So looking for sell opportunities. Might do a continuation before we come back up, before we drop down some more. Ultimately, it's a downtrend. And that's pretty much it. The pairs that I'm looking at this week. Definitely be cautious during some of the sessions due to news events. And remember to trade what you see, not what you think. If you have any questions, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. We know we out here. Peace.